What's up guys, today I've got my hands on the Hi5, which is a premium 591 litre freestanding cross-door American style refrigerator with a rather nice premium black glass finish on the front. This is a large capacity appliance designed to bring modern style, cooling performance and flexibility to your kitchen. I've been testing it out for the last 4 months to see how it performs in real-time use, from design, practicality to energy efficiency and cooling consistency. So without further ado, roll the intro. Now before we dive deeper, let's quickly talk about the price. This Hisense fridge freezer typically retails in the UK at around £1,299, though prices can vary slightly depending on the retailer. For this price, you're getting a premium flagship refrigerator that competes with higher end models while keeping a slightly more affordable tag for its size and capacity. Now if we talk about design and build quality, the Hi5 looks fantastic from the outside. It features a pure flat black glass finish with recessed flush handles, giving it a high-end minimalistic appearance. Its KitchenFit depth design measures roughly 60 centimeters deep, allowing it to sit more flush with your kitchen cabinets than your traditional American style fridge freezers. The cross-door layout makes accessing both fridge and freezer section easier, while the flexi hinge design allows the doors to open beyond 100 degrees even when placed close to the walls. With a width of 91.1 centimeters and a height of 190 centimeters and a net weight of around 140 kgs, it's definitely a large, substantial appliance that feels solid and well built. Okay, now let's talk about the internal layout and storage. Inside you get a total net capacity of 591 litres, split into a 381 litre fridge compartment and around 210 litres of freezer space. The fridge area includes 3 adjustable glass shelves, 6 door balconies and 3 spacious crisper drawers for fruits and vegetables. Down below, the freezer offers 4 drawers plus an extra shelf, giving you plenty of room for your frozen food organization. One of its standout features is My Fresh Choice Zone. It's a convertible department that lets you switch between fridge and freezer temperatures depending on your needs. Perfect for extra storage during holidays or larger grocery hauls. Cooling performance is enhanced by multi-airflow technology, which evenly circulates cold air across all shelves. It also features metal tech cooling, where the metal back panel helps maintain a stable internal temperature. And total no frost, which means you will never need to manually defrost ever again. Other features include a super cool function for rapid chilling, super freeze for locking in freshness after shopping trips, and bright LED lighting throughout the interior. There's even a vacuum fresh drawer designed to keep certain foods fresher for longer by maintaining optimal humidity and reducing air exposure. Now if we talk about the performance and efficiency, this fridge freezer uses an inverter compressor which automatically adjusts power levels to maintain consistent cooling levels while using energy efficiently. It runs quietly, rated at just 37 decibels, so it won't disturb you even in open plan kitchens. The annual energy consumption is around 318 kilowatt hours, giving it an E energy rating under the current UK system. In real world use, it cools quickly and maintains a steady temperature across all zones. The super cool and super freeze functions work effectively when loading large amounts of food, and the 13-hour power cut safety time ensures your food stays protected during outages. There's also a digital LED control panel with clear temperature settings and alerts for high temperatures or open doors. And these small touches make that day-to-day use much easier. Now, if we talk about the practicality and everyday use, for families, the Hi5's cross-door layout makes organization simple. The wide fridge section allows for large trays or platters, while the deep drawers help separate food types efficiently. The convertible zones add flexibility depending on how much fresh or frozen storage you need, though using it as a fridge space will naturally reduce the freezer space. The total no frost design saves time, and the quiet operation makes it a good match for modern homes. That said, the slimmer KitchenFit depth means shelves and door balconies aren't as deep on full-size American-style freezers, so very large bottles or containers might be a tighter fit. It's also worth noting that this model does not feature a built-in water or ice dispenser, nor does it include Wi-Fi or smart connectivity, features you might find on more expensive models. Now, one standout feature that really impressed me is the Hi-Nano Technology. This is Hisense built-in air purification system, which releases high concentration negative ions to help eliminate bacteria, reduce odors, and maintain fresher, cleaner air inside the fridge. So in real use, it means less food odor mixing, your fruits and veggies stay fresher for longer, and the fridge maintains a more neutral, clean smell over time. For households storing raw meat, fish, and dairy, together this feature makes a noticeable difference. It's a subtle addition, but one that helps separate the Hi5 from more basic models in its price range. So after using this fridge for around 3 months, here's my personal experience. I bought this model because I needed something large, but no deeper than 60 centimeters. Otherwise, it would have blocked my laundry room window. The Hi5 gives me the best of both worlds. The American style capacity and a slim cabinet friendly design that still lets me open my window freely and keeps everything neat and tidy. It's genuinely designed to fit flush within your kitchen cabinets. So even being so close to the walls isn't a problem. The doors open fully without restriction. I did originally want a water and ice dispenser, but no other brand offered such a slim 60 centimeter depth. So that was the trade-off I was happy to make. After a few months, I can honestly say I'm very happy with my choice. It's spacious enough for my weekly online grocery deliveries, and even when I fill it to the brim, it never feels cramped. Cooling remains consistent and it's still whisper silent. I barely notice it running, and the only small annoyance is that the shiny tempered glass finish can be a fingerprint magnet, so I do find myself wiping it down with a microfiber cloth every now and then. But honestly, that's a minor thing compared to how sleek it looks, and overall I'm extremely happy with my purchase. It's practical, modern, and has performed flawlessly so far. So overall, the Hi5 is a stylish, feature-rich American-style fridge freezer that offers impressive storage flexibility and reliable cooling performance. It strikes a nice balance between modern design and everyday practicality, making it well-suited for families or anyone needing a large capacity fridge freezer without the bulky depth of traditional American models. Now, let me quickly go over the pros and cons. So starting with the pros, you're getting a massive 591 total litre capacity, an elegant black gloss pure flat design, and the flexibility of a convertible zone for switching between fridge and freezer use. Features like total no frost, metal tech cooling, and multi-airflow ensures consistent temperatures and hassle-free maintenance. It's also quiet in operation and has a durable build and provides excellent food preservation features such as the vacuum fresh drawer. Now on the downside, it lacks smart connectivity, water or ice dispensing, and shallower shelves may limit very large containers. The convertible zone slightly reduces freezer capacity when using it as a fridge. And its E-energy rating, meaning it's not the most energy efficient option on the market. It's also quite heavy, so installation requires some planning. So bottom line, if you're after a large, elegant refrigerator that offers excellent cooling performance, quiet operation, and smart storage flexibility, and you don't mind skipping extras like Wi-Fi or an ice dispenser, this Hisense fridge freezer is a very solid choice in the 1200 to 1300 range. It's practical, stylish, and reliable, making it one of the most balanced cross-door fridge freezers in its class. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more home tech videos, and comment below if you'd like to see a long-term follow-up on this fridge. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.